so I cannot put the date. You can say 21st December 2021. Change the color of the text to white. Okay, the same thing happened. This is for the date. Then you can duplicate the text. You put the time. You can say 3 o'clock or 3 p.m. Alright, so that is how to design it. So I'm going to show you how to create 1, 2, 3, 4, the 3 element pictures merged together. How do we do that? You click on shape. Click good. So this is the shape. I can decide to bend it. Let it be like this, anyhow I want it to be. Now you have to apply texture. The texture should be the image you want to upload. Okay, my image is on download. You can see it here. Meanwhile, the image or the background color here is white because I didn't change it. So if I decide to change it, it will be black color. Now the next thing you do is to apply stroke. Where is the stroke button? Okay, here's the stroke button. Now since it is white already, I can use black. Alright, you can see it. So you can reduce, increase it. Okay, so that is how to produce that. I'm deleting. So that is how to design a music concert or church program, posters, flyer, banner using your mobile phone. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumb up. If you have any challenge, please use the comment section of the YouTube channel and give me a reply. I'm going to reply you back. Thank you and God bless you. Bye.